What's up, YouTube? It's your boy T, back again today with another Soul Supremacy beater box. Welcome back to the channel, man. Today I got a box that was $665 shipped. So $625 plus the $40 shipping made it $665. I've been having pretty good luck with these beater boxes lately, man, especially like in this price range. So I'm hoping that luck continues. If you're new to the channel, man, and you just stumbled upon this video, these are just mystery boxes we buy every week from a company called Soul Supremacy out in California. It's about 100 of us nationwide, I believe, that's in this little group that's allowed to buy them. And every Sunday they go up and we cash out. They are nothing but mystery shoes, man. We don't know what's in the box. We don't know what condition, the sizes, any of that. You just kind of buy, roll the dice, and hopefully you get a good box. Everything's supposed to be below market value, so you should be able to make profit on every box. That's the goal anyway, unless you like myself that like to keep too many shoes I need to get rid of. But man, y'all told me to keep those Gatorade 6s, man, so your boy listened, and they are sitting nicely in the drop front. But anyway, we'll get back to this box. 665 bucks. We're gonna jump right in and see what we got. Like I said, I've been having pretty good luck in this price range, so we'll hopefully that continues, man. All right, we in there. Wow. All right, I got one pair without box. We got some Jordan 1s, New Loves. I want to say these are the New Loves, and this is the latest release. Pretty worn. These will need a little bit of TLC, but nothing I can't wipe off. Bottoms are yellowed, but overall not too bad. I like the yellow and black colorway. I'm just a fan of the OG, man, that Nike Air on the tongue. When it comes to my ones, that's how I like them. Alright, next up, I got a 9.5 Jordan 6 rings. I haven't seen this shoe in a long time. I actually used to have this shoe, and it's a Concord colorway, so it's kind of right after that other box I had with the Concords in it that sold real fast. Size 9.5 on these. These are dead stock. These still hold a pretty good value too, man. These still hold pretty good value. I mean, nothing like a real Concord, of course, but they still have a little value. Dead stock, size 9.5, will be double box shipped. This box does have a couple little holes at the top of it, as you can see, but that is the original box. And I said wow when I opened the box because I got a $350 right on the top. So normally back in the day when you ordered a box, you had to spend about $1,000 or more to get a Yeezy. Now we getting them in $665 boxes. It says a $350. These are the blue tints. I guess I can tell y'all what size they are. Size 5. Hopefully this thing will focus so you guys can see it. Size 5. Blue tints. These are pre-owned. They are in really good shape though. Check out the bottom. Still pretty white. The boost is still really clean. Take out the other one. Man, you used to have to spend $1,000 up to get shoes like this in a box. Now, since the value went down a little bit on these, you can get them in the $665 box. So they still have pretty good value though. I'm happy with this. I mean, of course I can't keep it or would want to keep it, but it's a quick flip. Be a good portion of my money back just from this size 5, which I want to say in the Yeezys the lower sizes go for more. I mean I'm not a professional on that, but I got a Nike Air Presto, a quick strike, my size medium. Mediums are from the 10 to an 11, and the large is from 11 to a 12. I prefer the medium over the large. And these are the Safaris. These are dope. This is one of my favorite colorways in this shoe. I love Prestos. If you follow me on Instagram, you've probably seen a lot of my Prestos, and you probably know I've had these before. This is the Safari colorway, pre-owned. This shoes was dope to me, man. These things used to go for a lot of money too. I'm not sure what they go for now. These are pretty nice though. No extra laces. I want to say mine can have extra laces with them. My other ones I got were dead stock. Medium on the Prestos. I got a Jordan 1 box down here. I got an NMD XR1 PK in a size 10.5. And like some triple white colorway, I guess. I'm not a NMD guy. I like the way NMDs look. They just look horrible on my feet. But these are used. Still pretty clean though, especially for an all white shoe. Size 10.5. Check out the bottom. Check out the back. These are pretty clean. Normally you get used white shoes, they are really dirty. Size 10.5 on those. And we still got 4 pair. This box so far has been pretty strong for a $665 box. I got a Kobe AD in a size 10.5. And these are used also. Really lightly used. You can see the bottoms are still pretty icy. I don't know the nickname for these at all. This is my first Kobe AD. They are really clean though. Be a good hoop shoe for somebody. I know there's still a lot of Kobe fans out there. Next up, I got an old Jordan box, another Jordan 6 rings. Oh, you can see the box. I got a size 10. The other pair was a 9.5. And we got the bread colorway. And these are dead stock also. Like I said, these still hold pretty good value, man, especially for them to be dead stock. I know over $100 easy. So, Jordan 6 rings. I never had this color. Size 10 on those. I'm pretty happy with this box. It was a full box too. I still got 2 pair left. I'm gonna save that Retro 1 box for the end, even though I know it's not my size. We got a size 9 Jordan 13 low. I'm not a big fan of 13 lows. We got the chutney colorway. Dead stock. So that's really good. That is in dead stock condition. We got 3 pair of dead stock shoes in this box. This box is pretty, gonna be pretty profitable, I think. Dead stock shoe. I shouldn't even have to pull out the second one. In the chutney colorway. Size 9. Normally when they have that Soul Supremacy tag, it's dead stock 9 times out of 10. Last up, I knew these were my size, it's obviously because of the box, but I got a size 4.5. Alright, we got some Barons. We got some Barons, size 4.5. Pre-owned, still in pretty good shape. See if I can get this thing to focus on the stars. Still got a lot of stars on the bottom, as you can see. Size 4.5. And I'm pretty sure they probably worn by an adult, maybe a female with a small foot, because the insoles were taken out and not used. So still in really good shape with the receipt in the box. I got a guy here, the homie James, man. He been buying shoes for his son when his son gets older, putting them up for him. So he might grab these, man. Shout out to you, James. Size 4.5 if you want them, man. This box, I'm pretty happy with it. Like I said, $665. It looks like it's gonna be a really good box, man. I think the Yeezys gonna cover a lot of it, and the dead stock shoes. So I'm really happy with it. It looked like another A+ box. And I think that's gonna about do it, man. Thank you guys for watching. I got another box on the way. It's gonna be one of my most expensive boxes I've had in a while. Not the most expensive box, but one of the most expensive boxes. Over 800 bucks. So it'll be here next week. So if you guys are unsubscribed, man, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, eBay, everywhere at TGotSold. And the Instagram for sale page at TGotSold for sale. All that should be down in the description. Make sure you subscribe and tune in, man, because these boxes are coming in every week. So again, I appreciate you, and I'm out. Peace.